Hey everyone, in this video, let's take a look at Napkin AI and see how we can generate visuals. In order to do so, here we are at napkin.ai, and Napkin is a little bit different than what you might expect. It's for turning your text into visuals so that you can share your ideas. It's more about business presentations than it is about generating an image, whatever that might be. If you wanted to do a dragon or whatever image you might be interested in doing. This is more about flow charts, mind maps, data graphics, and how it works. You import or paste your text. You can click the icon to generate visuals, and you can polish it up to make it yours. Got a variety of options here: icons, decorators, connectors, colors, fonts. Visuals created in Napkin can be used anywhere. You can export them as a PowerPoint, PNG, PDF. You can captivate your audience with auto-generated infographics, diagrams, mind maps, flowcharts, data charts, and more. So if you are trying to prepare for a meeting, then you might want to take a look at Napkin AI to make slides and make an impression in your meetings, engage your audience, write easy to read documents. So some interesting stuff here. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at what Napkin's all about. So we're going to sign in. Let's go ahead and go with a new napkin. We're going to draft with AI, write a prompt to generate text content. So let's go ahead and do that here. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just enter this in here, introducing Skillcraft AI, your one-stop shop for the top AI tools and more. You can also see here we've got some other suggestions: hiring interview, brand proposal for a plant care company, picking the right CRM for your sales team, recognizing top performers on your team, some examples of how you can use Napkin. But let's go ahead and try this prompt and see what we get out of it. So this document is introducing Skillcraft, a comprehensive platform designed to be your one-stop shop for accessing and leveraging the best AI tools available. So you can see here that Napkin has generated this nice looking document for us. And next to each of these, we have this visual. So let's go ahead and click on that. And here we go. So we have created our document, and now we have our first visual to go along with it. So this is pretty cool. AI empowerment pyramid, AI utilization, understanding access. We've got some options here to explore. Styles, different styles that we can take advantage of. Very neat. Very, very neat. So this is really something, again, if you're trying to prepare for presentation, then you might want to take a look at Napkin. This looks like some pretty neat stuff here. So let's go ahead and try this one. So I like the look of that. And that one, so that kind of negated that for us. Try this again here. Got different styles. We'll go ahead and go with this one. Now, is that going to stay this time? Close that out. No, it's still not quite sticking. So missing something here. Let's try. I guess we'll just leave that as is. Won't mess with that. It seems like it's there now. And then we can go next to each of our sections here, but no, it doesn't seem like it's going to let us do what we want to do further down until we figure out what we want to do here. So okay, there we go. So that seemed to have done the trick there. So now we have our image in place, and can we keep going down and generate more images? Or is that the only one that we can do? It seems as though that's the only one we can do. Kind of assumed. Oh, no, there we go. We're back again. So I guess we had to put our cursor here, and now we can generate visuals for each of these different sections. So we can really get granular with this if we want. So let's go ahead and try the next one. And let's see here. Okay, so we've got our different styles. So we'll go ahead and select this one. Then I guess we got to select it twice for it to stick. So it's there now, and we can go now to our next section, and there we go. So we've clicked on the next section, and now we have our generate visuals icon. So we can go ahead and click on that. And now we have a variety of options here, styles that we can choose. We can go ahead and click on that. So very cool, very interesting, something that you can definitely spend some time with. But what you get out of it is very nice looking. And if you're looking to wow at your next business meeting, keep people's attention with some nice visuals, then you might want to take a look at Napkin AI. It's a little bit different when it comes to generating visuals, but very effective. So that let's see here, we'll take a look at the styles. So here we go, we've got a variety of styles that we can take a look at. We can create a style. Looks like you need the subscription to do that. And I guess when you're done, you can share, you can download this as a PDF, or you can copy the link here. So if we wanted to download that, let's just go ahead and click on that. Here we go. So we can export PDF. You can change light, dark. If we want to remove the napkin logo, we are going to need the subscription. Single continuous page. We've got a few other options here. And I guess once we're done, and there we go. We have now successfully exported that as a PDF. So very cool, very interesting, a little bit different than what I was expecting, but definitely a powerful tool if you are looking for something to help in your next business meeting. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in a new online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you will get $50 to open an account. And once you've opened an account, you can refer your friends and family, and you'll get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to open up an account. It's a fantastic deal. It's win-win for everybody involved. Simply Financial is a wonderful bank and comes highly recommended.